This carbon fiber reinforced ABS filament offers notably higher stiffness and strength than standard ABS, making it well suited for functional parts and mechanical prototypes. The material formulation concentrates most fibers in the core of the strand, so you get a smooth outer surface while still benefiting from a high carbon fiber content internally. Layer bonding is impressively strong for a fiber-filled filament, giving printed parts better resistance to splitting along the vertical axis. Because fewer fibers are exposed on the outside, it is gentler on printer nozzles than typical abrasive carbon fiber blends, which helps maintain consistent extrusion over time. Dimensional stability is very good with reduced warping compared with regular ABS, so larger prints and tight tolerance components are more achievable. The matte black finish hides layer lines well and produces professional-looking parts that are appropriate for both functional and cosmetic applications.